Did you know that the Latin word frater, meaning brother, has influenced the English language in more ways than one? For example, the word fraternity comes from frater, highlighting a sense of brotherhood and unity. Take fraternal, a word coming from the Latin fraternus, meaning pertaining to a brother. Fraternal is used in English to describe relationships or organizations associated with brotherhood. Fraternize, from the Latin fraternizare, it means to associate or socialize in a friendly manner, often used to describe interactions between members of different groups or organizations. Friar, derived from the Old French word frere and the Latin frater. A friar is a member of a certain religious order, typically associated with poverty and service. Confraternity. This word combines the Latin prefix con together with fraternitas, indicating a group or association of people united in a common cause or brotherhood. Fratricide, combining frater with the Latin cadere, to kill. Fratricide refers to the act of killing one's brother and is used more broadly to describe the killing of siblings. Fraternal twins. In genetics, fraternal twins are siblings who develop from two separate eggs and share, on average, 50% of their genetic material. The term reflects the idea of two individuals growing side by side, akin to brothers or sisters. Lastly, perfricate, a lesser-known word, symbolizes the act of perfecting or polishing. It metaphorically reflects the way our relationships, particularly with our brothers, shape and refine us. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more content like this.